Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. We are making some pancake sausage muffins or sausage pancake muffins. Of course, you know we love breakfast around here. And we're getting ready to have breakfast too. But I wanted to make these first. And my thought process is to just freeze them. And then that way my husband will have them to grab and go when he leaves for work. So I have finished browning up my 1 pound of sausage. And since it is breakfast time, I'm going to save some of this because, honey, we get ready to eat some grits. So I'm going to save some of this to mix up in our grits because we love adding, especially that husband of mine, he calls it his breakfast bowl. Well, he will crumble up his sausage and bacon and add it into his grits. So we're going to make it easy today and save a little bit. Let me put it all on here. Hopefully I'll remember and won't dump it all in the pancake batter because I want it to drain and I don't want to leave that little bit sitting in the grease. So what are the ingredients that we'll be using today? We have this 1 pound of sausage, whatever sausage you like, whatever you like. Then I have my 1 cup of shredded cheese, and I'm using sharp cheddar. We have 2 cups so you know what? We're getting ready to have breakfast. I forgot just that quick. I'm gonna shred just a little bit more of that since it's thawed because it was in the freezer. Real quick, I'm just gonna shred just a tad bit more so I can put it over the eggs. Okay, easy peasy, just that quick. And to ensure that my cheese doesn't go bad, a lot of times I will store it in the freezer. If I know I'll be using it soon, then I won't. Okay. All right. So we have our 1 cup of cheese. Then we have 2 cups of pancake mix. I know this box says Pearl Milling, honey, but AKA Aunt Jemima. Aunt Jemima, Aunt Jemima pancakes. 2 cups. We have one and a half cups of water. And then I have a fourth cup of maple syrup. So whatever kind of maple syrup that you want to use. Now this should be really simple in that all we have to do is just mix everything together. I did fail to mention that I want to add a little bit of vanilla. And of course I have washed my hands. Don't y'all be in the kitchen with nasty hands, because that's just nasty. So we're adding just a little bit of baking vanilla. And then I want to add my water first, a little bit at a time. Because truth be told, I probably could have gotten a little larger mixing bowl, but this should work. Now remember, even with pancake mix, you're not trying to get all of the lumps out of the pancake mix, okay? We'll go on and dump this cheese in here. Easy peasy. And I don't usually do cheese with my pancakes. Let me see. If I do a sausage egg, I'm trying to think when I do the McGriddles at McDonald's. Oh, excuse me, McDonald's. I was getting ready to say Burger King. When I do the McGriddles, do I do cheese on it? I can't remember. Okay. So we have the cheese. We'll go in and add the syrup. And then we have our sausage. Now remember, Donna, save some for breakfast this morning to put in your grits. Okay, that's enough. We're going to save the rest of that for breakfast. Okay, so this little 4-cup measuring cup worked out just fine. And that's it, you guys. Everything is mixed in. Make sure you don't have any dry pancake mix up under there anywhere. But that's what we're looking like. Okay. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And now we just want to spray our muffin pan using some Pam. Can't stand all of this on the top. We want to fill our muffin cups about 3/4 Let me make some room over here in this little bitty corner I be working in. So about 3/4 full. Okay, so we have 12 muffin cups here. Hopefully I didn't fill them up too much, but you see we used all of the batter, so this should be enough to make 12. And I tried to get them as even as possible. So now we're going in the oven. I'm baking on the middle rack. We're going to set our timer for 15 minutes. Again, we've preheated to 400 degrees. And I'll let you know how long they baked once I take them out. I hope they don't run over. Okay, we baked for 15 minutes and they are done, but they're not really going to brown a lot on the top. So what I've done, I just put my oven on broil because I want them to brown just a little bit, just a tad bit, okay? So I'm gonna put them back in just for a couple of seconds. You have to watch them and then I'm gonna take them right back out. Okay, this is a little bit better now. Turn that off. And now I just want to top them with some butter. I just needed a little bit of brown on the top. And then we'll let them cool for a few minutes before, maybe just a couple of minutes. They seem to be lifting pretty easy, so I think they're gonna be easy to get out of here. Can't have pancakes without butter, right? It's smoking.
Wow. What are these?
Pancake sausage muffins or sausage pancake muffins.
I ain't never seen these before.
I know, right? And I know you're going to want some more, sir.
Let me taste one.
Cut it in half. You can see what you eat.
This is a what?
It's pancake. It's pancake, sausage, and cheese on the inside.
What do you think of this? Whoever brought this?
See the cheese in there? Here, you want some more syrup?
Yeah, I need some syrup on mine.
I know you do.
I need some syrup on mine. What in the world?
What in the world?
I need a fork.
You could have used that one, babe.
Which one?
The one I just used.
That's too fancy.
That's too fancy.
I don't need a fancy
You guys,
fork.
I put the extra 4 on another plate. See how pretty they look? Oh, well, I did cut this one open.
I think you hid all the good
Let me
forks.
put this one back on the plate so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside.
This is so cool.
And it's like a big fluffy pancake.
This is so cool.
Look, I knew he was gonna drench it in syrup. If you eat pancakes without syrup, this is perfect for you.
This is great.
If you like him and it has to be drenched in syrup, then you'll need to add more. Come on so I can do the thumbnail. Look, and we can eat our breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast. It's good.
So what? You don't eat breakfast?
I said I'm gonna eat breakfast. It's good.
Oh, okay.
This is so good. For real. Real.
I'm waiting on him to open his mouth. Okay. So that's it, you guys. Easy, peasy, quick, baby. You can't get any more syrup out of there.
See? That was at the bottom just sitting there.
All right, you guys. Well, look, I need to finish our
You're gonna get in trouble with this.
I know. I figured they'd be quick too for you to. I can freeze them and you can grab one and take it to work.
Take them to one.
One. You can take one to work. How many you gonna take? 2?
You don't understand how hard I be working.
Okay, babe.
Making sure
Anyway,
you
listen.
have right on this.
If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, please consider doing so.
By hitting the nosy. That's that notification bell.
You turn on that
You
notification
turn on the
bell.
notification bell.
That way you'll be notified whenever we're over here doing whatever it
That
is
way
we're
you'll be
doing.
notified whenever we're doing everything that we're doing here. I'm trying to learn.
Why you sound like a parrot? Thank you all so much for watching. You get ready to eat breakfast. You get ready to eat breakfast. You can eat another one at breakfast. Okay. Thank you all so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. Bye.